For joining us right now. First up tonight at 5 o'clock, more people could be eligible for booster shots in just a matter of days now. The FDA and CDC are expected to authorize a third Pfizer dose for all adults.
And this is big news ahead of the holidays. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino asked vaccine providers what they are doing to prepare. He is live in Hartford tonight with more on what they had to say. Mike.
Well, Mark and Aaron, we also asked the governor about his thoughts on speeding up this process. He says he's okay with people 18 and older getting their boosters now, but providers say they're waiting for the go-ahead from the CDC. I also asked providers why young, healthy people should go ahead and get their boosters.
You're over 18, go get yourself a booster shot right now if you haven't had one already.
Come on down and get a booster shot. At least that's what Governor Ned Lamont says. The FDA and CDC are expected to okay all adults getting booster shots of Pfizer's COVID vaccine. But some states aren't waiting. Are providers in Connecticut letting people get a head start?
We follow the CDC and FDA guidelines. Now, that being said, we certainly know a lot of people have gotten the boosters regardless of whether or not they met criteria.
Only people 65 and older, those with pre-existing medical conditions, and workers in high-risk jobs are eligible to get booster shots. But that could change this week. Is Connecticut ready for a potential boost in vaccine demand?
But I think in terms of vaccine availability, we're in a better place than we were with the initial rollout of the vaccines.
Doctors say we have plenty of Pfizer's vaccine in Connecticut. We've also streamlined the process to make it easier to get an appointment. Plus, people can now mix and match and get a Pfizer booster even if they initially received a Moderna or Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Is that safe?
We're confident that the data that the FDA and the CDC have looked at holds, strong in the real world.
If I'm healthy, young, and don't interact with a lot of people at work, do I still need a booster shot?
The data has continued to be supportive of the impact of boosters on providing additional protection.
Pfizer's also announced it's seeking approval for a pill to treat people who become infected. Drug manufacturer Merck is also awaiting approval. What impact could these pills have on our fight against COVID?
This will probably become more like the flu, which is manageable over a course of several months and years to come.
Now, doctors say it's still too early to say what impact all this talk about boosters has had on whether or not people who are on the fence sign up to get their first shots of the vaccine. We did see a jump in people getting vaccinated ahead of potential workplace mandates, but now sign-ups for boosters outpace first shots of the vaccine. Live from Hartford, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Mike, thank you very much. Also new tonight.